Beard guy, how about you go first, Fly? Sure.
You could come on my back.
Dad, you know the drill. When he flies, I throw. I know it hurts. I know it hurts.
I will beat you, Stinky.
You're not throwing me. No. Well, it's just us now.
Alright.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some cheese. Yay! Yeah. Come back here. Yeah.
Now that they're gone, I can cruise around the building. What happened to you guys?
I was fighting him because he wouldn't let me throw him. But then I did.
Son, you're getting spanky.
You're not my mom.
You're getting 10 across the foot. 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. 1, 2.
Controller!
3.
Forward! Backward! Kill himself! No, kill the robot! Yeah! Don't you dare it! I got him with my credit card! I'm gonna go look for my daddy.